Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can open timeline in Adobe Animate. So as you can see here at the bottom I don't have any timeline. So how we can open up is simply we will use the shortcut Ctrl Alt T, just like that it will show up, and we can also close it the same way. This is on the Windows. Now, if you are using Mac, you will need to use CMD Option and T. Um, yeah. Also, what you can do, you can go here to the Windows at the top, and then you can select here Timeline, just like so. So these are two options. So you have uh, keyboard shortcuts, or you can go here to the top, tab, window, and then select timeline. You can see that you can also select more of them. You can also select layer depth. You will see something like that, and so on. Yeah, this is it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.